Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of Black Rock RV Village in Salome, Arizona. Black Rock RV Village is just a few miles from Quartzsite and offers very reasonable rates at $30 a night for full hookup. I found Black Rock when I was only a rookie RVer, and I always like to find pull-through sites because I wasn't very good at backing in yet. So you can imagine how pleased I was to see this. Yep, it's all mine. This is a lot of real estate, and it's probably overkill for a 27-foot camper. But it is nice to have the option of inviting a few friends over to play a pickup football game in my own yard. Quartzsite, Arizona is only a few exits up, and my first visit here was during the off season, so I went to the bookstore, forgetting about this guy called Paul Weiner. Paul Weiner was revolutionary of sorts. He was known as the first male stripper in the United States, and he ran this bookstore pretty much in the nude. He walked right up to me wearing nothing but a tiny pouch, asking if he could help me, and I walked right out. I'm very shy. I guess I just wasn't prepared, that's all. Unfortunately, you can't visit Paul anymore. He died at the age of 75 in 2019. Fortunately, there's a library right here on site at Black Rock RV Village, and you might see me here fully clothed. If you'd rather visit with partially clothed people, there's usually a handful of them here at the pool. It's usually a good mix of folks that stay here seasonally and then those of us who are passing through, and it always seems like a great time here. I really like the way this park is laid out because even though there's a lot of seasonal residents here, they're sort of arranged on the perimeter of the park and leaving a lot of space for the overnighters like me. Besides that, the residents are fantastic here. They're super friendly, and most of them have four-wheelers. This is a four-wheeling community, and many of them will be happy to take you out on the BLM, which is right next door. Look, I'm not really a desert guy, but I've even taken the scooter out on these BLMs. I just love this area. There's something sort of enchanting about it, and even mystical. Okay, it's time for my review of Black Rock RV Village. I would definitely come back here. It's one of my favorite all-time desert RV parks for sure. You're right down the road from Quartzsite. You have nice, huge sites, swimming pool, library, and just a great community of folks. This sort of four-wheeling community that you can always go exploring with in the desert. The BLM is just right next door. So you can go exploring all the time, and just a great energy here at Black Rock RV Village. Well, I hope this information has been helpful to you. If it has, do me a favor, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. That helps my channel grow. Well, that's all I have for you today. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.